If you want to change the language in Audacity, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether you're using Audacity for recording, editing, or cleaning up audio, changing the interface language can make the program much easier to use and understand. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Audacity on your computer. Once the program is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Edit. This is where you'll find most of the main settings and customization options for the app. From the Edit menu, scroll all the way down and select Preferences at the bottom. This will open the Audacity Preferences window, where you can change a variety of settings related to the application. Inside the Preferences window, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Interface. This section controls general app settings, including the language display options. Now locate the language drop-down menu. When you click it, you'll see a list of available languages supported by Audacity. Take your time and select the language you want to use. This is especially helpful if you prefer working in your native language or want to switch Audacity to a more comfortable interface. After selecting your preferred language, click OK to confirm the change. The great thing about Audacity is that it applies the language change immediately across all menus and tooltips, so you do not need to restart the program. You should see the new language take effect right away. If you ever want to change it again later, just come back to the same preferences area and choose a different option from the language list. It only takes a moment, and it can make a huge difference in how easy Audacity feels to use day to day. And that's it, you've successfully changed the language in Audacity. It's a very simple process, but it can make a big difference in how smoothly you work inside the app. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.